only son of billionaire, go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you're Chine Nere on where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chine Nere on where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire, go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you're Chine Nere on where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chine Nere on where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you're madam, oh, where are servant today.
Dave, where have you been? I've been calling you for days. You've not been picking up. Are you okay? Is everything alright? Dave, are you okay? Dave, are you okay? I've been calling you for days. You've not been picking your calls. Is everything okay? What happened?
I need to be left alone.
Wait, it is that lady again, right? I mean, where was it written on earth that you must work as a driver for that lady? I mean, is that the only job on this earth?
Are you going to give up on me at this point?
Have you had something to eat? It's okay. Let me fix you something.
Listen to me, mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Babylonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere onye mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become Oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you madam, onye mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become Oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings, all human beings. Chinemere nwa, listen to me, mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Babylonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere onye mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today.
I learned they're already on their way.
They?
Yes. Oh, sorry, I meant he.
You mean Oga? Madam's husband to be? I mean, the love of Madam's life.
Which love?
The one that built this mansion for Madam.
Abegi, forget that thing. Which husband? Which love? Love, okay. Love me. Some people just they mumu themselves for this life. Eh? Na mumu promise, na what she be? She just they mumu herself. I been at the billionaire husband where she they die for, where she never even see. Just they mumu the work.
What are you talking about? You should be mindful of your words. I mean, who is feeding you with all this?
My dear, say that they use military hand for this house, for us. No mean say my ear no dey ground though. My ear sharp like razor. Eh? My prayer be say our new oga where they come. Make it like us, so, especially me.
So you want the incoming oga to like us? In fact, to like you. But you don't want to first like Madam. Don't you know that a woman can influence a man's decision? Especially when it gets to do with love.
Eh?
Yes.
Love? Love? Who love help? Which love? I beg you. Which love? There is no love.
Mind what you say.
Has anyone seen David today?
No, ma.
No, ma. I haven't seen him either. Where could he have gone to?
I don't know. I've not seen him either.
Hi. Why this boy to like trouble? I mean, today of all day, he's supposed to have been here. Where did he go? He didn't tell you.
He didn't tell me.
Hey, I
didn't
pity
see
him. I pity him because Madam is so going to skin him alive. No, he knows we're expecting someone. You mean he didn't tell you where he went to?
He didn't tell me. I'm worried. He didn't tell me.
Girlfriend, you know. Oh, you know Lizzie, you know my spec. You know what I want. I don't want guys with yellow. No, I don't want bomb pop. See, I want fresh guys with black. With dark, we can get shining skin. We just see the bling. I know we can get money,
Abe, Gina Remy. Gina G for General. You know me. You know say we Yoruba we too like life. You know say I'm not fair. You know say I'm not fair. You know the kind of guys that they like? All those sweet top fair guy, over fair. You can't get side bed, that thing, teddy bear they get hair for corner. Sweet guy we go tall. As I dey see him, my heart go do bang. See, not be that you go come too fair, come black, be no they see you. If I say right, they go no.
See, babe, no matter. See, you be correct, babe. G for general overseer.
Okay. Babe. Can you girls slow down a bit?
No, calm down. See,
G for general.
She said, no, calm down. We can't calm down now. Babe, no see this opportunity they come but once. We got to use it as they come. Babe, no fall my hands. So, G for general.
Gina Jiko. I wish you said that the bounce cafe for you. Gina Jiko. If I love you, the bouncer. Gina, she know me. See, if you see your babes, we too say.
No, my hand.
We too fun. With a
no be lie.
With a andom. With a dumb and shiny. With a
bling.
With a bling.
But
see,
borrow.
See, G, if you see us not be clothes well, we go berry supermarket and they will go borrow clothes. Your girls are blink.
With a bling.
With a blink.
No be lie.
Borrow.
See, no delay also.
They call us borrow.
Fine. Just apply a little push on the brake. I've told you girls, nobody's missing any opportunity, right? Okay, listen. As soon as my man on fire and his friends arrives, my billionaire husband, Fiam, I'll put a phone call, just a call to my homegirls to come and sample their market. And of course, they will make their choices.
Which one be you teach us? Not you teach us.
Not you teach us.
Eh? Not you teach us.
Na president you be for bolo bolo.
We dey learn.
Why you talk like this?
We dey learn.
Babe, no follow our house. G for general. That name no be small name.
G for general.
General overseer. General overseer.
Oh, baby, I dey bounce carpet for you. Let's go! B! Ouch! B! Aïe! Bon, yeah!
Oh, mon Dieu, ça va! See her.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Philonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere on where on your mechio. Lower your action. The table has turned around, so don't cry. Don't be you say you'll be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's you put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble.
Namibi David Omai, I be the driver, the family driver.
What is this? Did you wash this car?
Yes, but I did.
Shut up! So, you want to infect me?
I'm sorry.
Is this what you're paid for? So you wash some part of a car and leave the other part?
I'm sorry.
I don't blame you lowlifes. You don't know how to make money. So how then will you know how to maintain a good skin and prevent it from skin infections?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing, Chinemelu? Asking a full-grown man to kneel down in the compound just because you feel he went contrary to some of the rules and regulations you mapped out in this house. What has come over you? Do you...
Ben, I do not only respect you as my cousin, but I also respect the fact that you played a major role in me being here. But what I will not take from you is you coming to my house to lecture me on how to discipline my staffs when they go wrong.
Nemelo, listen. That driver is not just a staff. He's a man.
And so? What if he's a man? A man with two heads? So he should go ahead breaking the rules and regulations, guiding where he works. Answer me.
Nemelo, you must listen to me.
If it's about that young man, I am done.
What is your problem? What are you feeling like? Why do you derive joy in maltreating people? Are you God? What are you feeling like? Huh? Are you God?
Yes. Yes. I am your God.
Safe in trouble with your character. Georgina, if you got you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy with your ambition. If you got you put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
Oh, Mr. David Omahi, the son, or rather the only son of the multi-billionaire and former Chief Justice of this country, Justice Donald Umahi. David was born and raised in this country. He later relocated to abroad. And being an only son, there is this pressure from his parents for him to get married and of course give them their grandchildren. But it's been hell for this young man. You know, he's not finding it easy. He's been, you know, ups and down, back and forth for him in making the right choice of a woman to spend the rest of his life with. You know, according to David, women were all over him, you know, that one could easily describe him as a gentle sinner. Even the women, you can easily describe them as gold diggers. But of course they will disappear as soon as they grab the money because he's wealthy. And nevertheless, he must fulfill the promise he made to his parents to present the love of his life on their birthday this year. The mother is 61, the father is 70. Both of them are celebrating their birthday the same day, simultaneously. It's quite a coincidence. He loved his parents so dearly that he wouldn't want to disappoint them. But at the same time, he must make the right choice. No, the reason he chose a different life to live, maybe, and just maybe, he could see life from a different perspective. And people could see him from a different perspective also. Who knows? It could aid in his search. He owns this mansion. You're employed and placed on such huge salary because of the parents of David, Mr. David. They'll be coming back in this country in less than 2 months' time. Just take good care of them, not necessarily for the young man, but for the parents, because he loved them so dearly. Of course, this is one of the numerous mansions that belongs to the Umahis. We wish them good luck as they come back to this country soonest. We also wish the young man good luck. That's all for now.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you'll be madam. Oh. The table has turned around.
My sister, he reached to shout. He reached to shout. Okaliagi itipu mpu. Okaliagi itipu chineke mpu. Shout because he reached or the millennials. In fact, it's more than millennials. It's delicious. I swear. Hey! Don't be that one they do me. You know what they do me? I want to dance. Kamba pulo chineke ni egwu, kamba pulo binigwe egwu because it's not easy. For this wonderful opportunity God has brought to us. like he's not using my sister. Are you dancing with me or not? You're not dancing with me? You're not dancing with me?
Don't try it. Don't try it. See, why do you want to enter our garden now? Eh? See, do you know how much apartment costs? Eh? You better get off from that place, oh. You better get off from that place now. What's wrong with you now? What's all this? Eh? See, get up.
Hey, what is going on here?
Mrs. Supervisor, you know this woman that wants to spoil our garden for us? Eh? Who is she for me fainting for? Help me ask her if she knows how much a bag of cement costs in under the way I came from.
Madam, can we just help her? Please help her, do something!
Help who?
You can carry her up, just do something!
Help who?
I beg. Wait. Auntie former madam, who you there from die for? Wake up, oh, you never pay your dues. Auntie former madam.
The table has turned around, so I know. The table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot yourself, Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble. It's your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo. You forgot yourself. You forgot yourself. You put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble.
She's not picking. I knew it. She Omojina will she olori bo ma ṣàǹfààní here. I don't want to say God will punish her, but let me not curse her. I knew it. I know. That girl a wicked devil. I never see that kind of friend before. Gina is very stingy. She's greedy. She's self-centered. Which other English I never use? Which kind of greedy friend be that one? Eh? Just this little favor. This small favor where this girl go do her life will change. We go become big girls. Nalayo, Gina want to pack all the old men round her. Only she'll be collecting the commission. And with day here, she cannot call us to come and buy Gbadun. If she allow us to miss this small opportunity, if Gina allow us to meet this small favor, we go change our life. I go naked, knock this thing, knock it down. I will swear for her. Which kind of nonsense be that one? You don't be me, oh. Listen, you don't be me, oh. You're quiet. No,
just touch me, oh. No touch me. As no one calm down, so no just do your thing. They vibrate. See, no just come near me. And they call Gina. You know what happened to her? Why they vibrate every time they just make noise for this compound? What happened? Calm down.
Listen, more boom. What is calm down? You know say we Yoruba, our blood they hot. Tabambinu àti inú mi kini e ma wa. O man lọ, e dey raise, go come up. Mo sorry, once I make me calm down. Kí ló ń jẹ́ pé calm down.
She don't go finish, so I come and pick the corner. As the old one law, you go dey glue aragba wogi. Come make her pick the corner.
Kò ní dá fún ẹni tó fi sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o.
Osnogin.
Kò ní dá fún ẹni mo sọ.
Ayé
yẹ ò ní dá. Ìwọ àti Gina kò ní dá fún ẹ.
Ya wo ge ba.
Kò ní dá fún gbogbo yín. You no first let that one here.
Ine eko. Kenya kwa ari.
Kenya kwa ari. Ìwọ náà kò ní kò kò kwa yín. Anu ìwọ náà lọ ṣọdọ ìbọn lápẹ
Kenya kwa ari. Ọmọ Yorùbá. Neni anu.
Ọmọ Igbo ó fẹ́ náà manu. Ó fẹ́ náà manu. Ẹ máa jẹ fufu ẹ mọ́ mi.
Ọmọ ya asun neni anu.
Ọmọ ya asun neni anu. Aleka orí òbò lò ṣó lórí imú.
distress. You put yourself in trouble. Ambition. Distress. With your ambition. You forgot yourself.
You know what I mean?
Believe me, I bet not on the
My father, I don't even mad. But I know you won't be talk. Shop. Every time you walk they long like that. I don't understand. What's the worry? You can't keep quiet. Eh? Man, you don't come knock for the door now. Now, Shebi, you're happy. You're happy.
Surely I am able to go. So, but Oga, Tiba, me, Tiba, Boju, Wallahi, on the little
back to sender. Back to sender.
Show me. Me. When you're back out of the ass of that.
Back to sender. 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 Babe, I beg no verse. No verse, I beg cause you no verse. See, bless that not reasonable landlady. I swear, nah, see, don't you not be that landlady, nah, don't you know? Just, see what you happen. See what you happen, eh? You know, say you get sharp eye as you never get. I want the abuse now, calm down, go to the hot. Just go there, go peep. Use one eye, take peep for that door. No, if I want to do that. Go now.
If I say you get eye like you don't reach like the glass over this, you're not really close to that place. If you move too late, you feel more. Why you know?
So I can say what they fear. I believe what they fear. Give a fear.
You go to the gate giver.
Yeah, the gate giver. Hey, my neighbor they come.
My mouth we get.
You forgot what's your name. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Distress. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. In the mirror. Distress. With your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. In the mirror.
What's the meaning of this?
No one lives.
Excuse you? Are you mad? Or something is wrong with your head? Do you realize I am the sole owner of this house? Like, I built this house with my hard-earned money. Like, I am the assistant owner of this house. I meant the former owner of this mansion. Do you know that? Why will you touch me? Do you know I can sue you too? I can call the police on you. I can even feed you. I can feed you for 1 year. Do you know that? Don't try it again. Bros, say, I beg now. No verse, now no just a smile at all. The person know they follow na play again. Eh? No be sad they shout oh. I know they shout. I know fit try am. But you see this my voice. Now so it be if son don't they go like this, you go they touch my brain, you go they touch my head one kind. I beg now no verse. You know say you know what's in the ground now. If you can't carry pikin, and pikin where you can't carry don't die, you go just check the next compound. No beside they run. I know they run. No. Sure I know the verse. I just want to check the next compound. Eh? Thank you in advance. Thank you for your understanding. Oh, I know the verse. Thank you for your understanding. Say, una know the verse now. We don't get understand. We don't align. I beg, make her they go, yeah? And make her they go. Thank you. Thank you.
Head. I think she needs some head. Give her some head.
Some head? No.
Oh, baby, come, take us. Bring me down now. Let me go.
Where is she? Where is she? Madam, you chop wish. Where is who? No, I don't understand. Where is who? You just barge into person's house. You knock. You don't even wait. Make house owners go open door for you. Just barge in like criminal. They ask you where is she with your eye and shine like thief. Where is who? Eh? Hey. Oh. She thinks I will not find her. She thinks I won't trace where she lives. There is no hiding place for a debtor. So, go in there and call that friend of yours, Gina, or whatever you call her, to come out here and pay me my money. Of all the clothes, the shoes, the bags, and the hairs, everything she has been collecting from my shop. Deceiving my workers that she's my sister. Just because I gave her a warm reception the first time she came to my shop. And she decided to drain my boutique. Please, go in there and call her out now. Because in the next 30 seconds, I will scatter everywhere. I'll pull down this building.
Oh, Bieda. Excuse you? You will pull which building? Show me where Haja of your over there. So Yahweh. So Sinwin. You look this fool nation. You see Yoruba stand here. They shake everywhere. When you ask scatter which building? Ba fún ẹ ní upper court. Tí bá yọ ojú ẹ, wàá mọ̀ pé mi ò gbádùn. You dey look me. Tó bá bí ẹ̀dá kó try it. Try it.
Try am na. You shock you. You shock you. Try am. Oya scatter everywhere. You no fit talk again. See me see wahala o. Ọmọ Yorùbá, wọ́n fẹ́ mano. Am I the one you are jumping up for? Eh? Look, you better go in there and call her out now. Because madam, you know they fear oh. You see giants. Ọmọ Yorùbá. Giants. They bounce. You see they make mad for inside. You know say inside our house today. We fit pan and beat you for here. Madam, ma do you good now because if she bounce, you no go fit survive her. Oh yeah, handle they go house. Man, they go house. Madam, I said now I just they save you because not try this. They go house. I won't save you. Madam, they go house. Handle Do they hear what? I want to see her power mic. I'm going in there to bring out that Gina. See, madam, we will kill you. Madam, we will kill you. You know so. Add that red apple for me. Yes, 10 of it, please. The big one, that big one. Yes.
Well, if you do this thing, what you want to do for my daughter, I'll wear whatever will make this.
It's okay, it's nothing. It's alright.
Why would they shine like you?
You can say that again.
Which one again?
How many is there? 10. Okay, get me this yellow one.
This one?
Yes, please. Get 5 of it.
How?
5, yes. That's 5, right? Okay, please let me have lime. Yes, 2 of it, please. Okay, that's it. Thank you. I don't want banana. How much is your nut? Yes, the big bottle. Please come and see it. This big one. How much is it?
Okay, it's 2.5.
Get me 3 bottles is fine. Yes, please. See, they will know that Madam Lizzie visited your shop today. I need 2 granuts, please.
Granuts?
Yes, 2.
Is it the big bottle?
Big ones, of course.
Big ones.
I don't do small things.
Hey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Any other thing?
Okay, I the granuts, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is this what they call this?
Honey.
This honey.
Yes.
Original. Let me have both of them. Both of them.
Me too. Hey.
And then cucumber, please.
Okay.
3 cucumber.
3.
Yes, please. This big one. This big one.
Big one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it. I need this one too. This pineapple.
This one.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, please drop it on the floor. So madam, how much is everything?
Everything is 8,500. You know, the things don't cost now.
8,500. I'll make it 10,000. You know what? Just get a nylon and put this.
Ozubo. Maybe you can lie on that. Hey, I'm so happy. Hey, let me take this. No. This one, your face is like this. Is it because of what happened last time? Don't worry. They will come. They will surely come and pay you your money. Oh? Hey, let me answer customer. Nah.
Customer, there's a big problem right now.
Okay. What happened?
Do you know? Oh, what kind of mistake is this?
What's the mistake?
And the 50,000 naira cash I kept in my bag. Oh, okay. I now remember what happened. I was actually on I was in a haste to come out and I left them on the table. Oh my God. But it's okay. Not to worry. I'm bigger than that. You know what? I'm living down the street.
Down the street?
Yes.
You
so
told
I'll just,
me now.
Of course. I'll just go and get your money. So just pack everything. Let me just go.
Don't worry. You will go with it though.
Yeah,
I will pack it and you will go.
Of course.
You will come back and... Hey! Okay, why are you shouting? Auntie?
Hey!
Nashi!
Auntie, you know what I tell you, say? Person come my shop, come buy provision, wey worth 12,000 naira.
And this auntie now! Don't embarrass my customer like that. What do you mean?
What are you saying? Why are you embarrassing me? No,
You know who you are talking to.
Why you? Oh, down the street. So because someone uses the word down the street, so it now appears to be me?
Nah, lie.
You know what? I know what's I understand. It happens to me every day. People tell me every time, Lizzie, you look like somebody else. So it's not her fault.
I don't blame you. You, not be like this. You tell the lad there. You wait. See. Wait. Me go call area boys. I don't see thief. You go pay me my money. Calm down. Which one be calm down? I tell you. He said down the street. That sounds like wait. Tell you no. Down the street. Now wait. Tell me that day.
Yeah. Is it true?
Yes.
Oh, madam, please, can we just talk about this? Can we try to
talk what?
I'm going to get fuel, please.
Talk what?
Hey! Area boys! You don't speak English. You don't speak English. Hey, I go burn you today. You come my shop. You come thief from my shop. Now my shop, you blue fish. You come thief. They go burn you today.
So you be thief.
Thief!
I'm not a criminal.
I'm not a criminal.
You are a criminal.
Area boys! Hey!
Hey! God save you!
I not do again. Wallahi. Me ò ṣe mọ́, I no dey do.
You don't do now. Which of you I not do again? You see, who forced you to do before? I take God beg you. I need peace for this house. Otito, according to you, you don't do.
Lizzie. Show me, this is not going to tell me Otito. It's your very no sabi. This is not time for you to tell me this one now. Eh? I need me ò ṣe mọ́, I no dey do again. Which kind of thing be this one?
See, can you just keep quiet? Nobody you run that run, no. I follow you run, no, babe. What if you all this guy shouts now? So all those when see, I think God beg you. What is that I'm mosquito? I'm mosquito for my ear. What if that one?
Emi winnie.
I don't tell you finish.
Lizzie, you look me finish. Send me the shell like mosquito. Me and you the shell like mosquito.
Sorry, I no put am well. I put am well for you. You know what you resemble? Glass cutter. Those ones will get long mouth. When you just sharp like ooh. When your mouth long like so last tomorrow no day. Now what you resemble? You don't like mosquito abi? Na glass cutter na resemble. What be that? I got my head same way today. I don't tire.
Na me dey talk so abi? No, na me get all those lines abi?
You know what? See that kind of one we answer. We wan answer. You no see am? You no see the one? Why you dey shout for this house?
Na me call it line winnie.
Na you.
Na me dey do
like.
They dey follow us. They dey follow.
You put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy with your.
Okay, guys, listen. Hard work and diligence can help you become a trusted employee and accomplished professional. A persevering determination to perform a task, characterized by steady, earnest, and energetic efforts, settling and committing to your goals, establishing a schedule, managing time effectively, and learning continuously. These are more a reminder for all, especially the new intake, Georgina Chinemelum Ibekwe. Your job specification here as a new driver entails a lot. You must stick to the manuals, rules, and regulations. Do not relent. I repeat, do not relent.
Somebody should wake me up. Somebody should wake me from this dream. Hey! Chibo!
The first slap is to wake you and to remind you that it's not a dream. The second slap is to reset your brain for messing up. Chinemelum, is being your cousin a crime? No, I'm asking, did I commit a crime being your cousin? I personally handed over the keys of this house to you and old friend's house as a supervisor and to employ people that work with you. You came in here and made yourself the owner of this house. And you did not end there. You went into the master's bedroom, took a jewelry worth 7.8 million naira and sold it for a god knows cheap price just to keep up with your fake life. Chinemelum, 7.8 million naira. You should count yourself lucky because he gave you an option of working with him as his personal driver. You should be deducting the money from your salary because you don't have shishi in your bank account. Shishi, you don't have. If I were you, I should not think otherwise. Don't even act funny. There are cameras everywhere in this house. And you're being monitored. You know how heavily connected this family is. They will just jail you for life for theft and impersonation.
Hey. Brother. Brother, I'm sorry.
You disappoint me.
You should have told me who he is all along.
No, sorry, I don't do that. Oh, I was under oath not to disclose anything to anybody until he reveals his true self. It's been my homeboy from way back. I cannot betray him. Chinemelum, I know the life you've always wanted. Getting married to a rich man and live happily ever after. Who knows if you had been the wife you're searching for all this while, if you had set fake life apart and do the work that brought you here initially. That reminds me, the car you rented that you're parading yourself as the owner. Have you called the owner to come and carry the car? Because I'm pretty sure they will come for you soon. You disappoint me.
The bus leaves in 20 minutes. Get ready to discharge your official duty as a driver here. Remember to stick to the manuals, the rules, and the regulations. Do not relent. I repeat, do not relent.
Hi. Oh.
What you are looking for is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel. It's good heart. She's an.
I want to specially thank you for believing in me, standing by my side, supporting me against all odds. Thanks for all you do. I mean, you tolerated and accepted me despite my shortcomings. You are the true one. Thank you very much.
It's sounding like I did a huge thing. I mean, who else would I do these things for if I don't do it for you? I am your closest. I am the one you trust in, so why can't I do those things for you? Besides, your win is our win. Okay, so it's nothing.
It's just a gift.
No, it's more like a payment now. Thank you, I don't want it.
I insist.
And I am stubborn. Get me something on a neutral ground, I will take it. Right now it's as though you're paying me for something I did for you. No, thank you. I don't want it.
Oh, Bob. What I'm seeing here is too much. 8.5 million. Are we traveling to heaven? Oh, more tickets cost so. The cheapest one is 6.5 million. Okay, why don't we do Nigeria, Turkey to America? It's better. Yeah, I like that one. Yes. To Turkey to... Yeah, Turkey to New York. No, not New Jersey, New York. Good, yeah. It's like $100,000. Yes, everything. Of course, 100K does nice above 100 million. Like 150 million. That's 100K does like 150 million naira. No, 150 million, not 150. Okay. So done now. We are no, not Nigeria, Dubai, America. Nigeria, Turkey, America. Yeah. So instead of Dubai, let's do Turkey. Yeah. It's the same thing. I was spending 2 days there. Okay. Yeah, let's do the white 570 and one white watch. Yes. We'll ship them together. White. Yes. Alright now. Definitely, you see there a lot. Alright.
You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. In the mirror. Destroy. With your ambition. Abada, you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love, love. Obodo Imo billionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo billionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo billionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you're Chine, Mere, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your action. The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam, oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's your name. Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. With your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina Mirror. Destroy. With your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Somebody should wake me up. Somebody should wake me from this dream. Hey! Timo!
The first slap is to wake you and to remind you that it's not a dream. The second slap is to reset your brain for messing up.
You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Meremo. You forgot what's your name. Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. You bad. Of ambition. Destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Destroy. You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away.
Sir. Sorry. Georgina Chinemelum Ibekwe. What are you doing standing right there? I'm sure you have not forgotten your job specification, young lady. You are a driver, and a driver stands right by the car and not in the sitting room. Now move it. Now.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina Mirror. Destroy. With your ambition. You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
Oh, which kind of fish with this one now? Eh? Which kind of nonsense with this? Come this guy, let's talk to they worry you. They said to come from my village. You dey crazy. Eh, you know they answer me? Okay, I don't see him. And this small power where they give you. This small power where they give, they make you they misbehave. But when I feel just stand like this, matcha me go scatter. You dey crazy. I mean, your village people now not get respect. Shey they not teach you how to get respect. You not get respect, Abi? I feel just choke my hand enter your eyes. You not get respect.
Well, with all due disrespect, I'm not here to respect you, but to disrespect you. And you just talked yourself off today's breakfast, meaning no breakfast for you today.
You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy.
No verse. So sorry. I am sorry. I didn't mean it like that. Oh, no verse. Nah, slip of tongue. No verse. Yeah.
And no lunch for you for talking when I'm not done talking. One more word from you, and it will be 0, 0, and 0. That means no breakfast, no lunch, no dinner as well. And I mean every word of it.
Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. With your ambition. Before God possibly. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Before God possibly. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You have lost all. Of ambition. Destroy.
My sister, I beg, I dey hungry. I never chop since morning, see time now. This na 8 p.m. I beg, now me hunger no go kill me. I beg, Muna just give me food. Just give me, even though it's not small like this, I will just manage her. You don't even need to put her for plate. Just put her for my hand. I will not chop her like that. Go chop her. I beg. Yeah.
Gina, I understand. But I can't do anything. I can't. I'm acting under the instruction of the supervisor. She said we shouldn't give you food. That I shouldn't give you food. On no account should I give you food. And I don't want to lose my job.
No. It be like you don't understand me. See, I take care of sir. And you know so they keep person. I beg now. I be una want just use one guy kill me for this house. One guy go kill me. I be person picky. Una pity me now. I beg. Una give me food. You don't get conscience. Una try give me food. My chop. My belly. See my belly don't enter inside. I feel just die. I feel die. One guy feel just give me anyhow. I beg. Please.
I can't. If I go against her will, she might just sack me. This is the only means of survival for me. You all know that. Please. I beg.
Still not good. No good. I beg. Now just small food. Now small food. I beg. I dey hungry. I know they work since they come. I beg.
This thing you're asking me, I can't. I can't. I mean, if you want me to leave this place, just go to the boys' quarter, carry my bag and keep it at the gate. I'll quietly carry it and go to my house. You asking me to go get you food? Come on now, check it. I'll lose my job. It's not like I don't want to, but I will lose my job. It's not my instruction, it's not my making. Oh. Sorry, but
don't do like that now.
To run away. Now you want to run away. A battery no song, bombarding. She want to run away. Bombarding. A battery no song, bombarding. She want to run away. Bombarding. A battery no song, bombarding. She want to run away. She want to run away. The devil has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The devil has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. You forgot you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble of ambition. Destroy with your ambition. You forgot you put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought.